This is Dr. Gondikonda Reddy. I would like to explain how you have to draw the square nut. This square nut is like hexagon nut only. The proportions I am reading out here. The major or nominal diameter of the bolt D is equivalent to 30. For example, I am taking D is equivalent to 30 mm here. So then the thickness of the nut is equivalent to T is equivalent to D. The width of the nut across the flats W is equivalent to 1.5 D plus 3 mm. Radius of the chamfer R is equivalent to 2D. This is how we have to proceed. Now I am writing when the flats are parallel to XY line like this. It is, of course, it is hexagonal nut, but if the flats are parallel to XY line, how we have to do it. So I am writing XY line here. Just see, all of you. I am writing here XY line. So draw the center here. I am starting with the top view. So this is the center point where I am starting from. The center of the this nut I have to write. So being it a square nut, the square nut, the flats, the distance between the flats is given 1.5 D plus 3. If it is substituting 1.5 D plus 3, if you are substituting D is equivalent to 30 mm, how much you are getting distance between the flats is equivalent to, it is equivalent to 48. So 1.5 D plus 3 is equivalent to 48. Its value is 48. So the flats, the distance between the flats is 48. You measure 24 from here. 24 from here. Right? So this is how we are going to do it. 24 and 24, draw the line with 2 H lines. Then from here 24, draw the circle like as this. 24. This is a square of 24 by 48 by 48 like that. Now draw the circle by taking this as the radius. Just incorporate the circle into the square. So we are going to have the circle like as this. The circle is visible like as this in top. Right. Now we are going to have the diameter of the bolt here. So diameter of the bolt is 30. So inside threading will be there. Cut the circle outside. We are going to have like as this. And the pitch, we know it. We are already calculated. Pitch is equivalent to 10% of D. So we are going to have 10% of D in the sense 10% of 30. How much we are getting? 3 mm. That is, if you are taking this D 30, so the pitch is 3. So if you are drawing a circle here, so this and this value should be 3 mm. So it is 1.5 and it is 1.5. So what we have to do, by taking 27 here, after 3, draw this circle like this. Now extend these two lines, extend it, and take the thickness. Thickness we know T is equivalent to D. 30 you take it, draw the lines like this. Now what is the radius of the chamfer? Radius of the chamfer is equivalent to 2D. It is 60. You just measure 60 from this point. Take 60. So this is the center. It is the 60, and draw the arc like as this. This is how we are going. This is R is equivalent to 2D 60. So this is how we are going to have in top view. This is how it is visible. And this is a center line. And we have to draw the hidden lines about these threads. So it is 30 circle hidden line, 30 circle hidden line, and 27 circle also hidden line we have to do it. Hidden line we have to do it. This is when the flats are when the flats are parallel to XY line. But always we are unable to keep it this, and the flats are making some 45 degree to XY line. It also happens. At that time, how we have to do it is, I will show you here. See here. Draw the XY line. Draw the center. Identified center. From here across the flats, it is you draw the center like this. This the flat is 48. So this is 48. So when you are drawing this, it should be 48. So you do one thing, you just make this mini drafter scale 45-degree line. You just move it till it is touching this point and this point. See that this is 48. If it is 48, so just move it. This 0 point will be there here. It is in 45-degree line. It is 0 point. It is 48 till you move from this point. It is 48. Likewise, remove opposite direction also. It is just move it. It is 48. Join it. Join it. And draw this circle with 45-degree line. You are going to have the circle like as this. Circle like as this. And as usual, we know the 30 mm line because it is thread profiles. Cut line because it is there inside, and 27 line, like that we have to do it. And extend these lines for front view, extend it. What is the thickness? Thickness is 30. Take 30. This is T is equivalent to 30. D 30. Right? Now we know it is a thick line. Then radius of the chamfer we have to take it. Radius of the chamfer R is equivalent to, I have given you R is equivalent to 2D. R is equivalent to 2D. That is from the center, its center we know it because it is its value we know it, we can measure it. From the center you identify the center line. From here measure 2D value. 2D value 2 into 30 is 60. So take 60 with the radius 60, draw the arc like this. Here also you draw the arc like this. From the center, draw it. Just complete this. Then we have to draw the thread profiles. It is 30. From here 15, draw the line, or otherwise extend from here. And one more line, two more lines are, which is 27 dia, like this we have to do it. So this is how we are going to do in front view. About the side view, it will come like this. It is X, Y I am writing here. Just see. Extend these lines, draw the XY line like as this, extend the lines, draw the arc, rotate it with respect to this center, rotate this with this center, extend the line from here, Same like as front view we are going to have side view also. Extend this radius of the chamfer lines, whatever the radius of radius of the chamfer you are taken, from the middle point also you taken like this. Draw the point. Here also middle point. Just join it like this. And the similarly, like how you are drawing these hidden lines here about the thread profiles, with 30 distance we have to draw 2 lines, and 27 distance we have to draw 2 more lines. This is how we are going to draw the square nut in both front view, top view and side view when the flat surfaces are making 45 degree to XY line. Thank you.